Here are 10 tiny things we can be thankful for in our homes. And these are not the usual ones. These are things we usually overlook. First up, a working washing machine. It saves so many hours a week. If we didn't have access to this, we'd be doing it all by hand. Also, hot water on demand. From dishes to showers, it's one of the biggest invisible blessings in a homemaker's day. Leftovers, future use, best friend. One container can help save an entire evening. Children playing independently. Even 10 minutes, super help. It may feel small, but those minutes add up to breathing room. A comfortable couch or a chair. A simple place to sit, snuggle, or decompress. Life can be hard enough. A cozy spot can help make it better. A working stove or oven, we cannot deny how critical this one is. It can help turn basic ingredients into substantial nourishment. The ability to reset at any time. No matter how chaotic your home may feel, you can always start putting it back together this very minute. And that counts for something. Whether you wipe a counter, fluff pillows, or light a candle, it can help that you can start at any given moment. Natural light. It not only helps to keep the electricity bill down, but it can help brighten up any room instantly. The family walking through the home, even if they leave a mess. Mess means presence, and that absolutely counts. Fresh starts every morning. Even if yesterday was chaos, you get to start again today. And if you want even more tips on how to be a thankful homemaker, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.